In this video we're going to look at the footer of your website. The footer is the area at the very bottom of the web page, so this area down here. We're going to have a look at some examples of what people do on other websites with the footer of the site. The first site I'm just going to show you here is the Vimeo website, and if we scroll down we can see they've got this really nice graphic image here, and then at the very bottom they've got legal information, copyright, and then links to other pages on the site like the sitemap and the about, guidelines, help, etc. So that's the Vimeo website. Here's a web design agency, and in the footer of their website what they have is they have a two-section footer, and you can see they've got contact information, they've got links to some important pages, and they've got a copyright statement, and then some latest news. This is probably from a blog post or something like that. Here's another one, and again it's copyright statement and the name of the organization, and then a link to the web design company. And here's a larger footer, and here you can see there's quite a bit of information, about section, a list of the recent blog posts, links to some important pages, legal policies and information, and then some links to RSS feeds and email subscription. So there's a lot of different things that you can use your website footer for, and even Google uses the footer for links to their various pages like their AdWords programs and their privacy policy. So let's have a look at what we can do with the footer on the example site here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and use widgets like we did on the sidebar video. So this is in the dashboard in the left menu. This is the widgets page just under the themes. So what we're going to do here is, if you're using the default 2010 theme, there should be several different footer areas. You can see them here: first footer, second footer, third footer, and fourth footer. And we'll see what those mean in a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sample information into each of these. So for the first footer area, what I'm going to do is we had some text, so let's pick some text to add to the first footer, and this is going to be some footer demo text, and this text is a demonstration. So let's just save that one, and I'll go and refresh the website, and you can see here's the footer demo text goes in there. So that's on the first widget area. Let's take the second widget area, and what we'll do here is we'll let's take a recent blog post and add that there. I'll just refresh the website, and you can see we only have one blog post here. If we had more, they would be listed under there as well. And so we can take the third footer widget area, and let's just add a search box in there, and you can see there's a search box added. And we could take the fourth widget area, and what we'll do there is, let's say we'll add a calendar. And save that. And I'm also going to add some text to the search box. Say search. Okay, let's go refresh these. So there we go. You can see what you can do with the footer. You can add all this kind of information in. You can also add multiple pieces of information into each column. So for example, we can add, let's just collapse some of those. If we want to put, let's say, a list of pages also into the first column, we can put that in. And you can do anything else you want here. So that's how to edit the footer using widgets. Most WordPress themes that you either buy or download will already have widget areas enabled. If they don't, we'll show you how to do that in a more advanced video later on.